Verifone M400 Swivel and Tilt Stand Installation Guide. Match the 3 pins on the mounting plate with the 3 keyholes on the terminal. Align the terminal with the stand's mounting plate and slide it into place. Once positioned, tighten the anti-theft locking screws to help deter tampering. Use the Allen wrench to fully tighten the plate to the Verifone M400 terminal. Finally, tighten the screw at the bottom of the mounting plate. And that's it, your Verifone M400 is now firmly installed on the AGOZ high-profile swivel stand. You can easily tilt the display to suit both customer and staff viewing. Pivot the terminal toward your customer or back toward your register. If this helped you, like and subscribe for more install guides.